Have you ever wondered how profoundly medicinal plants impact our daily lives? Today, we delve into the incredible world of medicinal plants and their indispensable role in promoting health and well-being. Our first plant of interest is feverfew, a charming little herb with daisy-like flowers. Not only does it add visual appeal to any garden, but it is also a powerhouse of medicinal properties. Feverfew is renowned for its ability to reduce migraines and headaches. It's also known to alleviate arthritis and improve digestion. When it comes to growing feverfew, it prefers well-drained, sandy soil and a sunny location. It's a hardy plant, resistant to most pests and diseases, making it an ideal choice for novice gardeners. Next in line is hyssop. This plant is a beacon of health benefits with its ability to alleviate respiratory conditions, soothe digestive issues, and even boost the immune system. Hyssop thrives in sunny locations with well-drained soil. It's also a magnet for bees and butterflies, bringing a touch of wildlife to your garden. Echinacea, commonly known as the purple coneflower, is another must-have in your medicinal garden. Its immune-boosting properties are widely recognized, and it's also beneficial for wound healing and respiratory health. Echinacea is a sun-loving plant that prefers loamy soil. It's drought-resistant, making it a low-maintenance addition to your garden. American ginseng is up next. Revered in traditional medicine, this plant is a powerhouse of health benefits, improving mental function, boosting the immune system, and even aiding in diabetes management. Growing American ginseng requires a bit more patience and care. It thrives in cool, forest-like conditions with well-drained, humus-rich soil. Moving on to valerian, a plant with sweetly scented pink or white flowers. Valerian is a natural sleep aid and is also known for reducing anxiety. This plant thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. Then we have milk thistle, a plant known for its striking purple flowers and its ability to support liver health. Milk thistle prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It's also a drought-resistant plant, requiring minimal care once established. The humble dandelion is next. Often dismissed as a weed, dandelion is actually a treasure trove of health benefits, including aiding digestion and promoting skin health. Dandelions are hardy plants that can grow in a wide range of conditions, though they prefer sunny locations with rich, well-drained soil. Last but not least is burdock. This plant is recognized for its blood-purifying properties and its ability to improve skin health. Burdock is a hardy plant, thriving in almost any soil type, and prefers full sun to partial shade. In summary, these 8 plants not only bring natural beauty to your garden, but also offer a host of medicinal benefits. From feverfew's headache-relieving properties to burdock's ability to purify the blood, each of these plants holds a unique place in the realm of natural health remedies. With a bit of care and attention to their preferred growing conditions, you can cultivate a medicinal garden that is both aesthetically pleasing and beneficial to your health. Happy gardening!